Welcome back, everybody. This is Shadow Drone. I hope you guys are doing well. I guess we're in another outright global outbreak again. I hope you guys are all safe and your families are okay and all that. Anyway, I know I haven't done a video in quite a while. I was off today. I'm actually off today from work. I decided I'm going to work on a project that I've been waiting on for quite a while. I ended up, last year I purchased the Sovol laser kit, which turns your Sovol model into a laser engraver and CNC cutter. So let me show you what I'm doing here, because there's certain things, it works, but there's certain things that are kind of frustrating. First of all, you have to install it and uninstall it. So in other words, the way they say to do it is you plug it into the open port for the fan underneath on the motherboard. So you have to basically open the thing up at the bottom, put the cable in there, plug it into the fan outlet, and then use it. And when you're done, you have to unplug it. And the reason for that is because when you try to do a 3D print job, it activates the laser as well, because the laser runs off of the fan power connector. Okay, and it's a pain. All right. So what I decided to do a mod to it, but really actually a real simple mod. So I can basically permanently mount the laser and incorporate the wiring into the existing wiring and be able to print 3D and not have to unplug the laser every time. And I did a really simple mod, which is an AB switch. Okay? Simply put. Now, if you do this, do it at your own risk. Okay? If not, don't do it. For me, it works. It's pretty simple. You just need some extra gauge wire, which basically matches the same thickness gauge as what's on the power connector. And I cut the positive red wire on the laser power wire and spliced this in to the red wire of the laser. And I can operate it by turning it on and off with a switch. Okay? So basically, the way it works is, simply put, the normal connection, basically go to fan, turn on the fan, okay? And once you do that, the laser turns on. See that? Okay? But that happens as soon as you start to 3D print as well. So not only are you 3D printing, but you're cutting at the same time. And you don't want that, okay? So what I did was I added this AB switch, okay, which interrupts the power supply from the fan connector to the laser. Observe. Okay? It kills the fan. It kills the laser only, not the fan to the 3D printer. So this way, I can leave the laser in place, and all I have to do is basically just set the Z axis to 100 and calibrate the laser lens. Once that's done, I can go from 3D printing to laser cutting or engraving with the flip of a switch. All right. Just thought I would put that out there for those of you who are thinking about buying this module. It's definitely worth the 40 bucks that they're offering on their website. I haven't done any major engraving yet. Like I said, I just broke this thing out of the box today. I did a little testing for it, but it does work. But this right here kind of makes life so much easier. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a 3D printed containment to mount this in and then attach it to the frame of the 3D printer. Okay, so this way it's hardwired and good to go. All right, guys. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And this is Shadow Drone out. Have a good one, guys. Be safe.